Happy cows. This is the little pasture. We move them out when, oh man, when it gets deep. Ah. Ooh, you make me get all dirty. Yeah, we gotta fix this. This is, they dump some slag in here or something, but I'm not allowed to make that decision. See here, this concrete's getting all broke out. Yeah. So I get asked a lot how often we clean the barn. Okay, that was a bird. How often? Are these cows out of here? There's how often we clean this barn, and I think there's just a load of manure here that he wants the inside cleaned as well. It's deep. It's gonna take a while, but I think we'll be able to get after it. Calling for rain Thursday. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit here why we stay out of the fields when it's wet is because we don't want to make compaction and screw the ground up. So never be able to farm it that way if you make compaction. Never get the ground right. So I kind of feel like I'm doing the same thing over and over again, videoing the same thing again, but it makes good content, I think. I kind of think that uh-oh. Did that come out right? We need engine oil. I think just a little bit will do. Let's see where this glass jar will do. Crap, does that got engine oil or motor oil in it? God, I hope it's got engine oil in it. Because if I screw this motor up, it'll be bye-bye for me. Crap. You know what? I'm gonna go dump this in the waste oil because I don't know what this is, and I mean, it was setting by the hydraulic oil, but I'm just not sure. You know, I get that gut feeling. That's hydraulic oil. Okay, so okay, I feel a lot better now. Let's see. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? Okay, that was over by engine oil. Should set that there. Okay, I gotta have two hands to do this. Okay, so I really feel a lot better now knowing that I got the right stuff. Feel a whole lot better. Now this is the weirdest spot for a dipstick on this engine. It's right where you can't hardly see the darn thing. But I'm gonna dump this in, and this is not the right plug. That is not the right plug for this. It was yellow, what I remember it being. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed and not make a mess. So I don't know how much this thing holds. I just dump oil in it and until it looks good on the stick. And this 40, what is it, 44 horsepower engine or something, I think. I'm not too sure. I think that's what it is, but good enough for me. I probably should grease this thing, but I greased it, 3 weeks ago? Yeah. 3 weeks ago I greased this thing. So the greasing, what's the hydraulic oil look like? Good enough for me. So there's a thing going around on Facebook. I'll share it or put it in the video. If you don't schedule time for maintenance for your equipment, it'll schedule time for you or something like that. So I guess we'll go ahead and start it. I don't need to glow plug, it's 60 degrees out. So I guess if you enjoy this video, I'll be back with some more videos here shortly.